Hey guys, I'm just going to show you really quick how to add your payment method to your Facebook ads. So let's hop over to, for example, Sky Credit over here. You need to add his ads on, his payment method. So Eddie. So once you hop on to business.facebook.com, we'll take it over here or to this page. There's a couple ways of doing this. You can go to more tools. You can go to billing. It's probably the quickest, easiest way of doing it. Right from here, you can just click on this little add button. Well, no, wrong one, apologize. Payment settings and add payment method right there. Add credit, debit, whatever you want to do. Another way of doing this is actually on the actual ads manager. So we're under business settings. So let's say you're in the ad account section right here. All right. You can go to over here. You can go to business settings. You can go to your ad account. So you can go over to Sky Credit Enterprise, your actual ad account, and this little button hanging down there. View payment methods and take you back to the same exact screen over here. And you just click on add payment method and boom, bam, add a payment method. Pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple. That's how you add a payment method, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Hope that helped.